The first kanji. Reading this kanji has three sound or three pronunciation. The first one, so. The second, show. The third, I, which had a meaning each other, mutual, appearance, or aspect, minister of state. And next, let's go to look some example of how to use the kanji of so. The first example, shusho, which means prime minister. If you know Japan, Shinzo Abe is the best known of Japanese famous prime minister. As you see the picture. Kasa, which means two people sharing an umbrella. Kawarazu, same as always. This means nothing changed. And the next example, sumo mean sumo. Sumo is a kind of sport in Japan, as you see in the picture. And this kanji also has a special sound su. You have to remember.